Imagine falling into a place where space bends, time stretches, and the laws of physics simply break. A place so mysterious, even light can't escape. That's a black hole. But what's actually inside it? Let's find out. Black holes are born when massive stars, much larger than our sun, run out of fuel. Without the pressure to balance gravity, the star collapses in on itself. What's left behind is something with no surface, no edges, just an invisible boundary called the event horizon. If you cross it, there's no way back. But what lies beyond that point? If you were to fall into a black hole, things would start off normal. You wouldn't even notice crossing the event horizon. But as you got closer to the center, gravity would begin to stretch your body, pulling your feet faster than your head. Eventually, you'd be torn apart in a process scientists call spaghettification. Sounds funny. Feels not so funny. At the core of the black hole is something that defies all logic, the singularity. A point of infinite density where time and space completely collapse. All the matter that fell in, including stars, planets, and yes, even you, is crushed into something smaller than a grain of sand. But here's where it gets really weird. Some physicists believe the singularity might not destroy information, but somehow store it. Others think black holes could be portals to other dimensions, or even gateways to alternate universes. And a few go further, suggesting that time travel could be possible near the event horizon, where time moves slower the closer you get. Still, no one truly knows what's inside. Every equation we have breaks down. General relativity, quantum mechanics, they all fail at the singularity. It's the edge of our understanding. A cosmic dead end. Now, here are a few mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. A black hole the size of a coin would weigh as much as the entire Earth. The Milky Way has a supermassive black hole at its center that's over 4 million times the mass of our sun. And the closest known black hole to Earth? It's just 1,600 light-years away. That's nothing in cosmic terms. It's basically next door. So, what's really inside a black hole? A doorway? A dead end? Or something our minds simply can't comprehend yet? One thing's certain. The moment you cross that invisible line, you become part of the greatest mystery in the universe. And no one has ever come back to tell the story. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around, because the universe is full of terrifying secrets. And we're just getting started. Subscribe Truth Capsules for more.